Let's say you reset your computer, you bought a new computer, or maybe there is a new version of Davinci Resolve. You always want to be sure that you're gonna back up your database of Davinci Resolve. So we opened up Davinci Resolve, and the first thing that you want to do is you're gonna click on your local database. So I gave my database a name, my own name of course. Then you're gonna click on details, and right up here you see you can make a backup of your database. Click on it, and then you're gonna decide in which folder you want to put that backup database. You're gonna give it a name. Don't forget to remember that name. Let's say test, save it, and then back up your database. So this will take a little bit of time. All right, so backup is successfully. Hit on OK. The next thing that you want to do when you open a new version of Davinci Resolve and your database is gone, hopefully it will not happen to you, but if it happens, you did a backup. So you're gonna go to this icon up here, that is restore. So then you're gonna double click on the database that you back up. So test, and then you're gonna name it the same name. Then you're gonna locate that database. So where is it located? Right up here. Select the folder, and then you want to create it. Restore project library. Yes, I want to restore it. And then hit OK. And then we go to test. Double click on it, and everything is in my database. Guys, you want to do this every single time when you need to update Davinci Resolve, because you want to be sure that you don't lose any projects. Okay? Work safe with lots of backups. Hopefully you will never lose a project again, and I'm gonna check you out in my next video. Bye bye.